Outdoor education, in our experience, in the Rimini Blue Lab experience, is very connected to ocean literacy. There are two cardinal points of our activities. Outdoor education for us is to develop a true culture of the sea. We intend to not only observe the sea, but to understand it, to feel interest of it. If you feel interest, then you can take care of it. So this is very related to the other cardinal point, which is the outdoor education, because it enriches these objectives and gives the opportunity to direct experience on the shore, on the beach, in the coastal space, in the coastal area. To have a direct experience of the nature and of life related to marine environment, adding especially to young people, giving them or nurturing in them a sense of belonging, of respect, and of knowledge, of direct experience of what they are learning, observing, learning, and understanding.